So today we're going to take a quick look at configuring our network interface card on our PC or laptop so it can communicate with our gateways. We'll also look at opening and selecting that network connection in DMX Workshop and discovering the devices on our network. So in order to get at the settings for our network interface card, we need to go to Control Panel on any Windows PC, Network and Internet, and Network Connections. And you'll see a list of available network connections in front of me here. My wired connection, I right-click and press Properties. You will need to be an administrator to access these settings. Then select Internet Protocol version 4, so TCP IP v4, and press Properties. So we can see that our IP address is being assigned automatically. That means that the DHCP server on our network is providing an IP address to our network adapter. So we can configure our ArtNet devices, we need to set a static IP address. So select Use the following IP address and enter an IP address in the range 2. ArtNet devices as standard are provided out the factory with an IP address of 2.something.something.something. In our case, we're going to enter 2.0.0.1. Clicking into the subnet mask field, Windows helpfully puts in the correct subnet mask for our IP address. So we go ahead and press OK and close. If I now open DMX Workshop, I can see a list of available network interface cards, or NICs. And you can see the top of the list is the address that I just set for my network interface, 2.0.0.1. If I apply that and press OK, DMX Workshop will open. If I open my node list, Automatic Discovery will present any gateways it finds on my network. Here we can see the IP address currently assigned to our ArtNet gateway, 2.145.81.247. If we right-click Configuration, navigate down to Advanced, and configure IP address, we can configure the IP address in one of three ways. We can program all of the IP settings, we can reset to the manufacturer defaults, or we can enable DHCP. If your network isn't running a DHCP server and you need to set a specific fixed IP address, select Program All IP Settings. Set the desired address of the gateway. Being sure to update the subnet mask. Press Program and the settings will be committed to memory. You can see in our list now the gateway is presented twice, once with its default IP address, and again with the address that we've just issued. If we were to go back to our Ethernet connection, change our IP address into the range that we've just set in our gateway, again, being sure to update our subnet mask. We can select our updated NIC. And we can rebuild our list of gateways. And here we can see the ArtLinks RJ45 that had a .2 IP address. Now, with its new static IP address that we set.